Steve Muttram from Olloclip. We're here at CES, and I'm going to show you what we have available today. So we're showing a number of mobile photography tools for iPhone 4, 4S, and 5S. This is our flagship product. It's a 4-in-1 lens system, and it pushes directly onto the iPhone. And it has 4 lenses. So this one is a fisheye lens. If I turn that around, it shows you the fisheye shot of our booth. If I take it off, you'll see the difference. So it gives you grabs the entire shot. If I take it off and turn it around, it gives you a wide angle, so about double the field of view. If I just do that, so you now see twice as much, both the horizontal and the vertical. And then underneath each of our lenses, on this side, we have a 10 times macro magnification. So you can take up real close-up shots, stuff that you can't normally see, and that just unscrews. And we have a 15 times on this side. So I can unscrew this one, as you can see. So macro is our wow lens. It's what everybody stands there and says, wow, look at that. So we can now take photographs of things that you just couldn't do before. So that's our flagship. You see I'm also using a case. So the case is a product that we developed because our customers asked us to, because we're on the raw iPhone. This pops open, as you can see. This piece we engineered to be part of the photographic process. So it comes up, up over the top here and becomes the shutter release. So now you can take photographs using a big sort of pressure point. But more, we also produce one over here. As you can see, what we call a photo dock, and that pushes onto the end of the iPhone and gives you the ability to mount the tripod in 2 directions, in vertical or horizontal, and it gives you a cold shoe for either a light or a directional mic. So now giving you a very stable photographic platform to take video or to take stills from. Other lenses we have in the portfolio. We have a telephoto lens, which comes with a circular polarizer.
That's okay, please. Yeah, no, the
Sorry, excuse me. So the telephoto lens pushes on exactly the same way, and that gives you 2 times magnification. So as you can see, that's the sign of the iBaby over there, and it brings it twice as close to you. And of course, you've still got the digital zoom on top of that. On the back side, we have a circular polarizing lens, which will take out reflected light. So the best way I can demonstrate that is if I bring it round here, and I'll point at the video we have running, and I'll turn the polarizing lens. You can see I can, depending on how I can turn the TV screen off or on, just by rotating the circular polarizer. This also then flips across and will work with our other lenses, so it can sit on top of the telephoto and or the wide angle or the fisheye. We also have products, as you can see, for the iPhone 5C, but probably the most fun product that we have, we've just introduced, and that's a true macro product. It has 3 macro lenses all in one. It has a 7 times magnification, a 14 times, and a 21 times. And that's our feature at the show. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to bring you to the macro. We have a macro sandbox where we're showing lots of different products. And as you can see, so what we're able to do is this has 2 hoods and 3 lenses. The hoods collect and diffuse light, but they also act as an instant focus for the product. So I can just drop it straight on our subject, and it starts to focus instantly. So you can now do some really get some great shots. We have lots of different things to try. As I say, if I was to take that round, that would give you a different magnification. I can show you on some of the others, but we really do get some very interesting shots. So that's it. That's what Olloclip is. We're all about mobile photography tools. And so if your iPhone is your primary camera, which for many people it's becoming, Olloclip gives you tools that you can carry in your pocket that give you great lenses, give you great creativity, and give you, say, a better way to take pictures.